You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Okay, there's my new drip can. We had some pork and beans last night. Hey, can you guys guess what kind of tree this is? Let me know in the comments. But it is windy. It's gonna be hard to even light a match. That should fire her up. I am going to move this over. And then I'm gonna take this, shake it off, get the cap, put it on. Save it for another day. There we go. We'll just go this way and a little bit that way. Alabama, we have ignition. Keeps wanting to blow out though. It is windy. There we go. Some big fish. I have to get that cleaned up. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Cherry.
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Beautiful day. It's cool, but it's windy. That's the only thing that sucks when you're doing a little smoking event. You get all that ash in your face. What What can I do? Yeah, we're gonna take them off. Take them all off. What do you all think? Epic fail or success? Here's a fish. You can see a rat or a Filipino wife got into it. Yeah, it was a Filipino wife. She says it is great, just like in the Philippines. Success story. In the oven, 230 degrees. We'll wait for it to get up to 145 degrees, and then she done. Okay, I just pulled this half pork loin out of the oven. It's 146 here, 145 there. And yeah. Let's see. That's nice.